Fatalism is one of this. Is one of those. It has this sort of. It has a submissive outlook of reality. It postulates that our reality is subjugated to impersonal fate. So whatever your philosophy, your ideas, your ideology, your preconceived notion is irrelevant, because fatalism philosophy is reality is subjugated to a sort of impersonal fate. It's independent of any sort of subjectivity you may have in mind. This is one of those shows where we go off into all this crazy tangent.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, I think transdisciplinary methodology works a lot here, because it helps to explain certain things that might be a little bit more difficult to grasp if you look at just by itself. Mm-hmm. Like for me, with all of the talk about like psychology and everything that we were just talking about, to me it makes it a lot easier to understand if you think about light. And that there's certain frequencies of light that are imperceptible to our eyes,
right,
but they still exist. There is stuff that we perceive as energy or heat that is still light, but we just can't see it. We feel it instead. And so to correlate that with subliminal messaging or neurolinguistic programming, it's just a different way of looking at it, that there are many correlations to be drawn between.
Many.
Even if they're